Hey Melissa, what do we got here?
We have Lenovo's new Smart Tabs. These are two Android tablets. This is the M10 and this is the higher end P10. These tablets run Android O, which is already pretty cool, but the other cool thing is that they work with Alexa. So they have far field microphones built into the tablets. And so even if you just take this tablet out and hold it, you can talk to Alexa and use Alexa through it. But then, one of the things you want to do with Amazon is you might want to stream some Prime content. And if you want better sound than you can get out of the typical tablet, you can put it into this smart dock. And we just listened to the sound of the Android tablet alone versus putting it into the smart dock, and the sound quality is significantly better. It doesn't sound like it's coming out of a well. You get some bass, you get some deeper notes. It definitely made a difference. And Lenovo is going to be selling both of these tablets in a bundle with this dock in January. Let's see, so what else can I tell you? These are both 10.1-inch Android tablets, but the M10 versus the P10, you're going to have some more premium features here. You're going to have a glass back on the P10, which I know is not everyone's favorite backing, but some people might really like the smoothness and the shininess. The P10 also has
Bigger battery.
bigger battery, and I think also 4 speakers instead of 2 on the M10. And it's going to cost, with the smart dock, that bundle is going to cost $249 versus the bundle with the M10, which is going to cost $199. And I think, Adam, you're an Android tablet user. For a lot of people, their Android tablet might sit around doing nothing a lot of the time. And so part of the purpose of this bundle is to give your Android tablet something else to do. And definitely by adding the far field microphones, you can talk to it in a way that could never do with your tablet before.
Yeah, kind of like an Echo Show. It connects with pogo pins,
Oh yeah,
but
let's
it's
show
also
that.
connected to
Well,
the dock wirelessly via Bluetooth.
yeah, it connects via Bluetooth for like content and things like that, and the pogo pins are for the charging.
For the charging, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can theoretically you can play your content over the tablet without having to plug it into the dock itself because it's just Bluetooth connection. So.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's just adding versatility and much better sound. So yeah, these are going to be announced at CES in January, and they should also be shipping in January.